The Don's Thai. It's a Mai Tai variation that's made by Don Beach or Don the Beachcomber. We need pink grapefruit juice, we need some lime, we've got some this and that. We're going to put it all into the shaker, give it a good shake. When you need to squeeze the juice out of fruit, just take and roll it until it softs. All the chambers inside the fruit are broken, we can easily squeeze juice out of it. We need the juice of about half a pink grapefruit. And of a lime. We need a bit of absinthe. We need 1 bar spoon or teaspoon, like so. We need 1 cl of triple sec, same amount again of falernum. We need a massive amount of Jamaican rum. We're going to serve this over crushed ice today. Add some ice to the shaker, take your lid, put it back on. When we taste the drink, we taste it before we serve it. If we made a mistake, we can adjust without adjusting out of the glass. We then decorate it with a sprig of mint and a straw. And there we have it, the Don's Thai. The Mai Tai, in this instance the Don Beach Mai Tai, is the most iconic cocktail from the tiki era. It's also the cocktail most often misunderstood and turned into horrible abominations. There are 2 different Mai Tais. There's a Trader Vic Mai Tai, made with dark rum, some triple sec, lime juice and orchard and almond rosewater syrup. And there is the Don Beach, made with grape juice, falernum, absinthe, lashings of rum. They're quite different drinks. They're both good. But what you most often find today is some weird mashup between the 2 with different rums and amaretto and stuff. This one, however, is fairly simple and very good.